Walking through the shop this morning, everybody's getting ready to clean up, and I just walked by there and see this big pile of dirt laying here. And you see this, and you go, what is that? And you see these lines. You know what this is? This is from somebody's air filter from their car's engine that have waited so long to have it serviced that I bet when the tech dropped it on the ground just to see what was in it, that's what fell out just from a drop on the ground. Can you imagine how dirty it actually was? I mean, how, if you had this, if this is the space of your air filter and this is the dirt that's in it, how can your engine possibly breathe except through these little areas? So for a $20, $30 air filter, a good air filter, stay away from the cheap junk that doesn't really protect the insides of your engine. But look at that. Get your air filter replaced. Use this as a free reminder. Just think about the amount of fuel you'll save and how much better your car will run. Alright, there you go. Quick morning tip. Craig's Car Care.